Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can activate PNC debit card on the mobile app. So first go to your mobile app and then select get started, and you find this option when you go to the PNC mobile accept menu from the app, and after that just click on activate. The card will be here. So in the business checking account view you will see your checking account balance as well, and a list of action that eligible customers can complete. And so if you have applied for a PNC mobile accept and there also a card, then you will see this option here. Then all you have to do is click activate, and once you do that, it you'll be taken to this form here, and just go through the terms and use. And if not, just click accept. Also just select that you have read the and understood the terms and then click accept, and then your activation is complete. You can add a mobile card reader or more if you have. If not, just click done, and that will be it. Your bank card account debit card on your mobile app will be activated.